The demand for high-efficiency electric pool heaters is skyrocketing. Surprisingly, a reliably warm backyard pool holds massive appeal for remote typists and traveling gamers needing a therapeutic soak after intense screen sessions. This guide evaluates top models based on switch type, smart controls.
Product number 1. Hayward HeatPro HeatPro Pool Heat Pump, 140,000 BTU, energy-efficient, titanium heat exchanger, 230-volt, in-ground pool heater. The Hayward HeatPro HeatPro is a heavy-duty titan in the electric pool heating industry. Designed exclusively for large in-ground pools, it boasts a massive 140,000 BTU output, capable of rapidly heating vast water volumes. Its robust build quality is anchored by an ultra-durable titanium heat exchanger, which provides exceptional resistance against harsh pool chemicals and saltwater corrosion, ensuring absolute longevity. The internal layout maximizes energy transfer efficiency, running on a standard 230-volt connection to dramatically lower operating costs compared to gas heaters. For typists and gamers seeking effortless control, its advanced digital LED control panel functions as a highly intuitive switch type, making temperature adjustments simple and accurate. While it requires a significant initial investment, the HeatPro delivers tremendous long-term value by drastically reducing your monthly energy bills. If you want unmatched heating power, industrial-grade durability, and whisper-quiet operation that won't disrupt your backyard relaxation or gaming sessions, this Hayward model is an industry-leading choice.
Product number 2. BluePlenum 107,000 BTU in-ground pool heater, 208-240 VC DC inverter pool heat pump with cooling for up to 32,000-gallon in-ground pools, 16.2 COP smart Wi-Fi. The BluePlenum 107,000 BTU in-ground pool heater brings cutting-edge DC inverter technology to your backyard oasis. Ideal for pools up to 32,000 gallons, this unit excels at both heating and cooling, providing year-round climate control. Gamers and tech-savvy typists will love its smart Wi-Fi switch type control, which allows you to effortlessly monitor and adjust water temperatures directly from your smartphone without leaving your gaming chair. The build quality is phenomenal, featuring a resilient outer casing and an energy-efficient compressor that operates quietly. Its innovative internal layout achieves an astounding 16.2 COP, meaning it extracts maximum heat from the ambient air with minimal electricity consumption. This translates into staggering savings on energy bills. Offering intelligent remote operation, reliable all-season performance, and a sleek space-saving design, the BluePlenum provides incredible value for those looking to upgrade their massive in-ground pools with smart, high-efficiency heating and cooling capabilities, ensuring a perfectly warmed therapeutic soak is always ready when you need it most.
Product number 3. AQUASTRONG Swimming Pool Heat Pump, electric pool heater for above-ground and in-ground pool. Heating and cooling pool heater pools up to 6,500 gallons. The AQUASTRONG Swimming Pool Heat Pump is a remarkably versatile solution designed for smaller above-ground and in-ground pools up to 6,500 gallons. It efficiently offers both heating and cooling functions, making it a perfect year-round companion. Its straightforward plug-and-play layout simplifies installation, meaning you can spend less time setting up and more time relaxing after a long typing session. The robust build quality features a galvanized steel housing that stands strong against outdoor elements, paired with an efficient titanium heat exchanger. Its user-friendly digital control panel acts as an intuitive switch type, allowing precise temperature adjustments with just the push of a button. For users seeking an economical yet reliable way to extend their swimming season, this unit delivers exceptional value. It operates smoothly and quietly, ensuring a peaceful backyard environment. If you need a compact, durable, and highly efficient heater for a modest-sized pool, the AQUASTRONG heat pump is a fantastic, budget-friendly investment.
Product number 4. VARMINPOOL 16,000 BTU heat pump for above-ground pool up to 5,500 gallons. Pool heater with smart inverter and Wi-Fi control via app. 110V swimming pool. The VARMINPOOL 16,000 BTU heat pump is an innovative high-tech option explicitly tailored for above-ground pools up to 5,500 gallons. What makes this unit incredibly appealing to gamers and tech enthusiasts is its seamless smart inverter technology and Wi-Fi integration. Using a dedicated mobile app as your primary switch type, you can conveniently adjust temperatures from anywhere inside your home. It operates on a standard 110V outlet, making the electrical layout completely hassle-free without requiring expensive professional wiring. Despite its compact footprint, the build quality is outstanding. utilizing anti-corrosive materials designed to weather harsh seasons effortlessly. The smart inverter compressor drastically reduces energy waste by adjusting power output automatically, yielding superb operational value and lower electricity bills. Offering ultra-quiet performance, app-controlled convenience, and a straightforward 110V setup, the VARMINPOOL represents a brilliant modern heating solution that perfectly blends smart home technology with reliable everyday aquatic comfort. It ensures your pool remains at an ideal temperature whenever you need to decompress.
Product number 5. FibroPool FH135 35,000 BTU electric pool heat pump, 120V above ground and in-ground pool heater up to 7,500 gallons, high efficiency, COP 5.55, no gas required. The FibroPool FH135 is a highly efficient 35,000 BTU heat pump that perfectly bridges the gap between massive in-ground heaters and small-scale models, suitable for both above-ground and smaller in-ground pools up to 7,500 gallons. It utilizes a highly convenient 120V plug, entirely eliminating the need for complex hardwiring or gas lines. Its internal layout is brilliantly engineered, boasting a high-efficiency COP 5.55 to maximize heat extraction from the surrounding air. The durable build quality is highlighted by an enamel-coated steel chassis and a robust titanium heat exchanger that easily withstands both chlorine and saltwater systems. Adjusting the climate is a breeze using its straightforward digital display, which functions as a reliable, weatherproof switch type. For budget-conscious homeowners, typists, and gamers seeking a significant heating upgrade, the FH135 provides unbelievable value. It is remarkably easy to install, incredibly cheap to operate, and guarantees a warm, soothing oasis right in your backyard.
Product number 6. Vidapool 18,000 BTU swimming pool heater. 7.5 COP electric pool heat pump for above ground and in-ground pools, heating and cooling, smart Wi-Fi control, pools up. Rounding out our top picks is the Vidapool 18,000 BTU electric pool heat pump, an exceptionally smart device built for pools up to 6,500 gallons. Delivering both heating and cooling capabilities, this heater achieves a remarkable 7.5 COP, making it one of the most energy-efficient options available in its class. Its layout is compact yet powerful, ideal for tighter backyard spaces. Tech-loving typists will appreciate the integrated smart Wi-Fi control, a brilliant remote switch type that allows you to perfectly dial in your preferred temperature directly from your smartphone. The impressive build quality features a heavy-duty outer shell and a whisper-quiet compressor operating at just 38 decibels, ensuring absolute tranquility during your outdoor relaxation. Offering top-tier energy savings, modern app controls, and steady, reliable climate management, the Vidapool delivers superb overall value. It is a fantastic final choice for anyone seeking a highly efficient, ultra-quiet, and smartly connected heating solution for their moderate-sized pool.